Hi, welcome to Henry's Bird Room. Today I'm going to talk to you about something very cool. I had a friend that had some American Cardinals, but he couldn't keep them anymore, so he gave them to me. I did some crossbreeding back in New York and the old days, and I created a hybrid back then with Brazilian Cardinal. He came out extremely cool, very, very nice. The reason for that is for the intensity and the purity of the color. And they are a lot more docile. He had these for a very long time. The reason that they're actually very ornery right now is because I've only picked them up less than a week ago. So it takes them a little while. I'm going to cover up the cage, the front and the sides, and just leave the back towards the yard so that they could come down. Hopefully, if they will breed themselves. I got the male and the female. I'm looking to see if I could find a decent pair of Brazilian Cardinals to do it all over again, and then show you guys how they come out. You need like a pair of each, so you could put the American Cardinal male with the female of the Brazilian, and the Brazilian male with the female of the American Cardinal. Like that, you have even sets. And then once you do that, the babies, you cross them back over, and you'll get an astonishing, amazing color. You get like some like pinks, and you get like the equivalent of Isabel Frost kind of color, like a reddish brown, but really, really cool. It's like with a frost on it. Really, really pretty. I want to show you how the way they look. For all my friends and all the viewers from England and Ireland and all those places, this is an American Cardinal. Aren't they beautiful? The only way that they would actually breed is you have to cover up the sides and everything, and put like twigs and branches and stuff, and then put like a plastic Tupperware or like a nest for like a chicken or something like that, and put like dry grass, and they'll pick it up and put it in there. They're funny, so you have to cover up everything, or they'll leave the nest. I'm looking to see if they lay eggs. If they don't cover the eggs, I might end up putting it to one of my foster parent canaries and see if they'll hatch them. Let's see how big they are, because unfortunately, once the babies are born and they start to grow, they will outgrow the canaries like that, and then it's going to become kind of funny, haha, but funny. So let's follow the progress. I look forward to following everything with you guys. Hit the subscribe button, hit the views, and hit the likes. Check the comments. Okay, look at all the comments and everything. Look forward to seeing you guys soon. Bye.